Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome to the class. In today's class, we are going to study les articles indéfinis. Okay? Indefinite articles, what we say in English. In English, we have A and N, indefinite articles. A pen, an apple. Okay? Like this, we have les articles indéfinis in French. First of all, one must know that in French, nouns are divided into masculine and feminine. Okay, the nouns are either masculine form or in the feminine form. Okay, so indefinite articles are of three types in French: un, they. The meaning of un is a or n. Okay, in English we have they means some. How is used? Is used with the masculine singular noun. Masculine, M for masculine, S for singular. Un for feminine singular nouns. Remember, both of these are used with the singular nouns. This is for masculine and this is for feminine. They is used for means some, and it is used with masculine plural and feminine plural. So it can be used in the plural form whether it is in masculine or feminine. It doesn't matter it is in feminine or masculine, but it should be in the plural form. So MP means masculine plural, FP means feminine plural. Just remember this abbreviation, it will be used again and again in the future. Now let's see how we use okay. We come to know that is used with the masculine singular nouns. So we will see some examples how we use them. Here it is written singular. Singular means singular. Masculine means masculine. What are the examples? Un homme with the human beings, like men, women, boy, girl. We know that men is masculine, so masculine article will be used. Over here, garçon, boy is masculine, so we will use indefinite article that is used with masculine. Okay, it's clear from this. The rest we have to learn. Un homme, a man. Un garçon, a boy. Un stylo is a masculine noun, so we write un pen. Cahier, a notebook. Un livre, a book. So these all are some of the examples of masculine singular nouns. Since they are masculine singular, we are using un. Is it clear? Now let's see some feminine nouns. Une femme. Since femme is feminine, we are using une. Une femme, a woman. Une fille, a girl. These both are feminine. We come to know that it is a feminine noun. So we use une. Gomme, in gomme, an eraser, Une règle, a ruler or a scale. Une maison, a house. Okay? Just remember these are some of the examples. Since these two and these two are human beings, you come to know boy, girl, men, women. These are masculine or feminine. Rest you have to learn which of the nouns are masculine and which are feminine. Okay? To do all the articles, this is one of the foremost thing to remember. And indefinite articles help you to remember which are masculine and which are feminine nouns. Okay? Now, how we use they. They is used for the plural. It means some. Okay? It is used with masculine and feminine nouns in the plural form. So, if we take all the above nouns in the plural form, okay, homme we have put an S, garçon S, stylo in the plural form, livre in the plural form. Then in the feminine form we had femme and fille, we have taken femme and fille, gomme in the plural form, règle in the plural form. These all 8 nouns are in the plural form. So we have put they. The moment we put they, the meaning changes from a man, a woman, a boy, a girl, a pen, a eraser. The meaning has changed to some because the noun changes to in the plural form, so the meaning also changes. So des hommes becomes some men, des garçons some boy, des stylos some pen, des livres some books, des femmes some women, des filles some girls, des gommes some erasers, des règles some scales or rulers. Okay. If we take maison, we left it une maison. If we write des maisons, it becomes some houses. Okay. So we come to know that we have 3 articles. I am repeating it again. Une, they. Un for the masculine singular. Une for the feminine singular. They for the masculine feminine plural form. Okay. The moment you make the singular nouns to the plural, you got to put they. Is it clear, everybody? I hope you understood it. Go through this video properly, and then we will do the exercise based on the articles in Defini in the next class. Okay.